Today we'll discuss ICSE 10th class Computer Application 2015 question paper, section A. Let us start. The very first question is, what are the default values of the primitive data types int and float? So it's a direct question. Directly you can set the default value of int is 0 and the default value of float is 0.0f. Okay, you can write. Next is name any two OOPS principles. Now here you can give any examples, any OOPS principle. So encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance. Okay, this would be the any two you can mention over here. What are identifiers? So identifiers are names of variables, classes, packages, methods, and packages in a Java program. So whenever we are giving some name to any of that is class or a method, those are called as identifiers. Identify the literals listed below. So here 0.5, this is the floating point literal, single quote A, single quote, this is a character literal, false, this is a boolean literal, and double quotes. When it, even if it is a single character, it is in double quotes. So we have to mention it as string literal. Then name the wrapper class of char type. So for char, it is character, you have to mention C as capital. For boolean, it is boolean, where we have to mention B as capital. Evaluate the value of n if the value of p is 5, q is 19. So here this question is there. Simply we have to evaluate the value. So q minus p is what? Q minus p is 19 minus 5. And here it is 5 minus 19. So just simply evaluate the expression. You can see this is there. So here you will get 14. So 14 is greater than minus 14? Yes. It is true. So it will take this value 14. So answer is 14 over here. Arrange the following primitive data types in ascending order. Now, as you can see, you have to first mention what is the data, how much of space each data type is taking. So here, char it is 2 bytes, byte it is 1 byte, double it is 8 bytes, and int it is 4 bytes. So here you can see byte is got the lowest size. So this way we can mention it first byte, then less than char, and int and double. So uh, highest amount of space consumed is by double. What is the value stored in variable res given below? Now here it's a bit complex question. We need to evaluate it first. So here man.pow. In double quotes it is given the string 345. Index of 5. When we talk index of 5, what is going to be the index of 5? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So index of 5 is actually 2. So the first part will get evaluated and the answer will be 2. Then we have to take mat.pow 2,3. So here 2 raised to 3 is nothing but 8.0. So the answer is 8.0. Name the two types of constructors. There are two types. One is default and another is parameterized. Default means we don't have any arguments over here. Parameterized means we can pass argument to a constructor. Then what are the values of A and B after the following function is executed? If the values are passed are 30 and 50. So here you can see int A. Now when we take A, initial value of A is what? Here the value of A is 30 and B is 50. So now if you try to evaluate A, the first one, the first expression, A is equal to A plus B. So here what will happen? 30 plus 50, answer is 80. So here you can see the value of A. We'll take annotation, it will be much better. We'll take the value. Okay. So here is the value of A is 30 and B is 50. So A is equal to A plus B. So this will become what? This will become 80. And second, B is equal to A minus B. A minus B means 50 minus B, which is 30. Then A is equal to A minus B. So 80 minus 30, which is 50. So as you can see, the values are swapped here. So answer is A. When we print A, we will get 50, and B, we will get 30. So answer, it will print 30 comma 50 because comma is there. Okay. Next is state the data type and value of y after the following is executed. So here if you see char x is equal to single quote 7. Now y is equal to character dot is letter x. Now whether it is a letter, it is not a letter, it is a digit. So this will get a, you will get a false value. So you can see the value it will return is false, and the data type, because false is a boolean data type. So we have to write boolean over here. What is the function? Now this is out of scope actually. Catch, block in exception handling. We don't have try catch. So you can leave this question that was there in the previous year. State the output of the following program segment is executed. Now here smartphone and graphic card. So h is equal to a dot substring 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5 means what will happen? It will start from 2. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So here you will get 2 and then up to 5. So here it will take 8. The first part will take 8. Then the next is b dot substring 8 dot to uppercase. Now here 8 means it will count from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8. So art will be taken again here. It will get converted to uppercase. So here you can see art is there. So if you evaluate these two things, you will get this. Here it is lowercase art and here it is uppercase art. The next line you have to print h. Print h. So what will happen? It will print art over here. This will get printed. Okay, then we have to check whether both are same. You have to ignore the case. So if you ignore the case, yes, answer will be 2. So here you will get two outputs. One is art and another is 2. This is what is expected. Explanation is not expected, or even if you write only the answer is it. What is expected is art and 2. The access specifier that gives most accessibility, that is maximum accessibility, is public and least is private. Name the mathematical function which is used to find sine of an angle. Sine we have to use mat.sine. Name a string function which removes the blank spaces provided in the prefix and suffix of a string. Trim method is there. You have a trim method for string which will remove the blank space. What will be the code? What will the code print? So here as you can see arrow, no, nothing is mentioned actually. Leave this question actually. I just check. Mm. Okay, here actually nothing is there. Since it's an integer array, nothing is mentioned. There has to be some value. So if I say nothing will get printed because nothing is there in that array. Okay, blank space will come. Value stored in array of 0 is a garbage value. So option 4, a random string will be printed as is an object. When an object is printed, toString method is invoked which gives the hash code of the object, which will be a random value. So some random value will get generated. Actually, some zero value will be there, which will get printed as well. Name the keyword which is used to resolve the conflict between method parameter and instance variable field. So here this keyword, actually this keyword is not there in this exam, so you can leave this question. Okay. Package that contains buffer reader. Now buffer reader is also not there, but still they have asked, so you can write java.io. Scanner is java.util. Okay, write the output of the following code segment. So here, if you can see, okay, char ch is going to be x is equal to 97. Do ch char of x. Char of x means whatever is the character related with that. So small a is there. Actually, a is there corresponding character for this. Okay. If x mod 10 is 0. Now in this case it will not be 0. So then only you have to break. So it will actually go up to 100. Okay. So you have to increment and we have to go up to 100 actually. This x is less than equal to 100. So it will go to the next iteration. So first iteration A will be printed next because it will be 98. So B will be printed next. C and then B. Okay, so this is 97, 98, 99 and 100. Up to 100 because once it becomes 100, it will break the loop. From here also it can break, from here also. Sorry. So write the Java expression. Very simple example is given over here. So here as you can see, a raised to 2. So it is my.pow a comma b plus my.pow b comma 2 divided by 2 into a into b. Okay. If y is equal to 10, then find the value of this. So here, as you can see, first it is plus y. So let us make use of annotation. Here the value of this is z. We have to take the value of y also. Y's value is 10. So what is the value of z? So it is actually z is equal to plus y. Plus y means this will become actually 11. So this will become 11. Okay. Into y plus plus. So it has to take the next value which is again 11 only. The value has incremented but so y's value has become 12. But you are supposed to take 11 only because it is post increment and then plus 5. So here as you can see it's a bracket so it will become 11 plus 5 which is 16 and 16 into 11. So the answer is 176. So this is what is expected. Okay, I guess it is clear. So thank you, Giri.